Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 is rumored to be in development as the successor to the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Here's all we know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 so far. We hope Samsung doesn't make any drastic changes, as the company has seemingly perfected the Galaxy Z Flip 7 design. The Flip 8 will allegedly be at least 10% thinner and lighter than its predecessor. That would make it at most 6mm thin when opened, 12mm thick when closed, and around 170g in weight. Galaxy Z Flip 8 could retain the 6.9-inch primary folding display and external 4.1-inch panel. An improved hinge design has resulted in a minimal crease compared to previous generations. Samsung may introduce different colors with the Galaxy Z Flip 8. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 could debut with the 2nm Exynos 2600, feature at least 12GB of RAM. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 received a battery increase from 4000 mAh to 4300 mAh, but it may also have the same battery. We also expect the same 25W wired charging speed. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 to have a 50MP primary sensor and 12MP ultrawide. As for pricing, there's no reason to believe Samsung will increase the price on the Galaxy Z Flip 8. We probably won't expect the Galaxy Z Flip 8 until next July, while previous summer Unpacked events took place in August. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.